Welcome everybody to a new type of video. I'm going to be doing a very well requested video. A lot of you guys have really asked me to show them how to build a PC. So before we start, I just want to say one thing. Firstly, we don't need a case. Secondly, most of the stuff that are in like the big amazing PCs we won't be needing, because this is a very quick demonstrated method that a lot of people use. And thirdly, this is going to be for a water cooling PC. Now, the most important thing is that we have our what is called a fatherboard. Right. So I don't know if you guys can see. I have a I have an ASUS motherboard, a fatherboard, sorry, an ASUS fatherboard. And yeah, so the first thing we need to make sure is that we have all of our our usable things. So we've got our USBs here. We've got these things. I'm not sure what they're for, but they look important. We've got these three things here. We've got our these things. We've got those things. Now we also want to show how to hold them. So you see these weird silver things? Well, they're magnets. So I don't know whatever other people told you, but these things are magnets. They are to help keep them facing downwards in the case, so that the gravity of the earth helps with the sector of the photosynthesis. So the trick to hold them is you actually hold them from the corners, because if you put your hands anywhere else but the corners, you're just going to rip your skin and there's going to be a bunch of blood everywhere. So the first thing we need to make sure to do is we need our CPU. Now it took me a while to order all my parts, but as you can see, this is a can you see it here? This is a hold on, let me get in focus. An AMD Pentium 3.8 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz. So you see these pins at the bottom. Well, it doesn't matter, even if they're a bit bent, like this one in the corner there. It's okay if they're a bit bent, because well, they're not important. So the first thing you need to do is we want to put it in this section right here, this bit right here. So put it anywhere you want, doesn't matter. Oh, sorry. Pull this up first. This little, hold on, this thing right here. Pull this out. Put your little, ow, there. There, it's in. Now just click it, nice and in. Next thing you want to do is make sure that it's water cooled. So I have a custom made water cooler. It's got some stickers. It's a bit old. Next thing you want to do is just get it a bit wet. Good. As you can see, it's nice and water cooled. See, that's good. Next thing you want is this. I don't know what this is, but I'm something about the internet. It looks a bit interesting. I think it's supposed to be useful. Probably not. Then you see that's a bit wet. It will dry up. You see these ones, these three white ones. You just want to good. It's in. Next, you've got your most important vital piece, RAM. RAM. Alright, R for racing, A for apple, M for magnitude. So it goes in very easily, just like that. And then, you clip it in. You make sure that all those white clips are on. Everything is good to go. Now, obviously, I didn't water cool this because you don't have to water cool Wi-Fi, otherwise that's stupid. But RAM, yeah, you obviously have to water cool RAM. So, good to go. Next is probably a gamer's favorite piece, the graphics card. Now, this is a 3090 Ti Super Maxi Q 300 GB of VRAM GDDR7, the latest on the market by as you can see, that says I can't exactly read that properly. I'm pretty sure that says Nvidia though. See? Right there. Nvidia. Made in Vietnam. So then you see this red one here. Yeah? Let me just center it a bit. Hold on. Yeah. You see this red one? You just want to really get it in there. Oh, maybe that if it doesn't fit, then just put it in the white one. Give it a second, guys. It's a bit stuck. Well, maybe let's try this again. Yep, there we go. It works. There's like a little clip. Right there, you can see. Nope, it's not working. It's broken. Now you want to obviously water cool your graphics card, otherwise it will be really toasty, and all these ports are gonna fry, and there's gonna be massive explosion in your house, and the bomb squad will have to be called. So then what we'll have to do, get the water cooled amazingly, and the next thing we need is this piece. Now I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it came with my motherboard, so you know I'm assuming it's got to be important. I figured we're out where it'll go when, after some tactical research, you see this green pad right here. It's already been water cooled for us because of the heaviness of the particles. You let it in, and then there's like clips. Here, I've done them for you. I'll show you now. You can see there's clips right there. 1 and 2. Done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is your main PC finished. Now, for the power, before you guys ask, do I need a CPU cooler? Actually, you don't, because I've already water cooled it. Thermal paste, useless. If you use thermal paste, then you're just a donkey. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All these copper wires and stuff, you don't worry about it. And yeah, that should pretty much be it for the main CPU, the main computer bit. And yeah, let's go on to the power. Okay, so now for the final bit, we actually need 3 AA batteries, as you can see right there. Yeah, so we need the batteries and not the actual PCU, because batteries are more portable, they're more easy to find. PCUs, they're big, they're expensive, and quite frankly, no one wants them. Batteries, they're the future, so we're using them now. So we need to get some sellotape. Ignore the disgustingness, it's from my pencil case. And the scissors. Okay, so now we've got our batteries done. I've wrapped them in electrifineness, what's it called? Tape. It's a special one so that it doesn't fry our fatherboard, and everything's ruined because we've done a lot of hard work. So we have to turn it over to this side. As you can see, there is a like a black thing that says AMD there, or ASUS, you know, depending on what you what board you have. Next, you have to have some sellotape. You want to put some here. I'll show you guys in a second. Put some there. Get off my finger, and we just want to like attach it to the to the board. I'll show you guys what I mean. Just like this, right here. Just like that. And so when you've got it just like that, you want to pat it down, make sure it's all firmly stuck down. Mine isn't actually, I need to go get some more tape. So give me a second, guys. So when you've taped it down, I mean special taped it down, you can't just use regular sellotape. It's very expensive. Once you've got it down like this, make sure it's all dandy-do, make sure it's all good. Make sure your stupid. What is wrong with my bloody GPU? Oh God, it's not getting in that. There we go. Yep. Right, that's in. Water cool everything again for good measures, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You've got your batch, your CPU, you've got your CPU, you've got your RAM, you've got your graphics card over here, you've got your power supply, you've got your Nintendo Switch adapter to micro HDMI display port. Sorry, let me just show you. You've got your USB 3 right here, 1, 2, 3 USB 3. You've got this thing. I'm pretty sure this is called HDMI. You've got your you've got your display cables. You've got your audio in, audio out, microphone, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You've water cooling done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new here, please subscribe. It could help me a lot. Maybe I could make a better one, maybe with light. Actually, I think I've got some light. Hold on. Alright, as you guys can see, there are lights right here on the board. And yeah, I think we did pretty good. Yeah, I think we did pretty good. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. It could help us a lot. And yeah, see you next time.